Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Jasenia, and in today's occasion I'm going to be showing you how to make banana cheesecake bread, and super delicious and takes no time at all. And these are all of the ingredients you're going to need as pictured here. Of course, I will leave the measurements down below in the comments, but you'll want to begin by mixing your sugar along with the butter and the cinnamon together just like this, and mix until all incorporated, either with the handheld mixer or your stand mixer. Of course, you want to add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract to this until it's all mixed together. Next, go ahead and take your egg and add that in there, and it should be at room temperature as well as the butter. Next, you want to take your 3 overripe bananas and go ahead and break them up into your stand mixer and blend until incorporated. The next part, you'll want to go ahead and incorporate your teaspoon of baking powder and teaspoon of baking soda into 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and of course add it in half at a time. Be sure to scrape the sides of the bowl and add in your second half of the mix. Okay, we'll go ahead and spray your baking loaf pan and then set the banana bread batter into that. And onto the next step, you want to go ahead and set your cheesecake filling. So for that, you want to mix in 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, softened that is, and you want to add in your splash of pure vanilla extract, just a teaspoon's fine, and continue to mix until it's nice and creamy, just like this. you want to take your 4th cup of sugar and add that into your mixing bowl along with half of an egg. Also a room temperature, but go ahead and mix until all incorporated and just scrape down the sides of the bowl occasionally. You know what you want to do is go ahead and grab a tablespoon of a time of the cheesecake filling and just layer it over this banana bread, just like this. And I repeated the process total about 3 times, but it's at your discretion. It's however much cheesecake you want in there. Next, you want to grab your fork, whatever you have at hand, and just swirl in the cheesecake filling, just like this. And of course, you will want to bake this at 350 degrees for about 55 to 58 minutes. Once you remove the bread from the oven, go ahead and insert a toothpick to ensure that it is fully baked. Of course, the toothpick will come out clean, telling you that it's all done. Go ahead and cover your bread with cling wrap so it stays nice and moist. And once it fully cools down, go ahead and slice it up and pair it with your coffee, your hot chocolate, chocolate milk, regular milk, or your favorite drink. But I do thank you very much for having stayed throughout this video. It does mean so much to me. If you haven't already, feel free to join our growing YouTube family today by hitting that subscribe button. And you'll find more recipes like this listed within this channel, such as banana nut bread or the cream cheese danishes on their own. All very yummy recipes. There is something for everyone. But thank you very much for your support. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.